At ito ang hindi naiintindihan ng iba. Hindi pa conviction ang testimony, pero pwede itong maging probable cause to investigate deeper. At iyan ang point ng hearing, hindi final verdict, it is a door opening. Kung ma-verify ito, pwedeng umabot ang usapan sa dummy account structures, misuse of public funds, laundering patterns, graft, plunder exposure, even predicate crimes kung may links sa drugs, illegal gaming o procurement scandals. At kung may bank facilitation, mas malaki pa. Kaya ang totoong tanong ay hindi kung naniniwala ka ba kay Caramil, ang totoong tanong kung nag-waive siya ng bank secrecy at may paraan ng silipin ang records, bakit hindi natin ipa-follow ang ebidensya? Kung totoo, then ilabas.
I agreed to do this because at the time I had complete trust in PRD and his close associates. 26. On some occasions, PRD would call me to inform me that someone from the aforementioned bank would contact me to confirm a withdrawal or encashment. Of checks, there were also instances that where PRD would instruct me to personally visit the said banks to pick up the money and bring it to Malacanang or to the designated individuals. I distinctly remember that PRD directed me on 3 separate occasions to pick up 100 million from a bank inside the mall in Lubao, Pampanga, which were all delivered to Malacanang.
Kung kasinungalingan, madali siyang mabubuko. Either way, records will tell. At iyan ang kinakatakutan ng maraming politiko. Hindi speeches, hindi press cons, hindi propaganda, bank records. Because numbers don't troll and ledgers don't lie. Follow the money.
On another incident, I was informed by PRRD that the 2 land bank managers' check which were to be delivered to one of our safe houses in Eastwood, Quezon City, in the amounts of 84,200,000 pesos and 4,800,000 pesos, respectively, were issued under my name. Copies of the 2 land bank managers' checks are hereby attached as annexes A and A-1. 28. To prove the aforementioned allegations, I am willing to execute an affidavit, authorization, or any other document, and to perform all acts necessary for Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives or the courts to access the aforementioned bank accounts and all other bank accounts under my name.